I'm Calee.
And I'm Steven.
And we're taking a road trip around Jamaica.
This time with baby Nyla. Come with us!
Welcome to the Knutsford Court Hotel.
Thank you so much.
Glad to be here. It's been a long trip.
Welcome to the Knutsford Court Hotel.
Thank you.
Checking in.
Yes,
Yes,
sure.
we
Can I
are.
have your last name, please?
Last name's King. Are you excited? Are you excited to see it? King, say King.
Complete your address, telephone number, and both adults sign. Thank you.
All right.
Absolutely.
How's your day been so far?
Oh, our day has been a great day. Tiring day, just driving through the countryside and just the serenity of just Jamaica. So,
Yeah.
it's been fabulous.
Gorgeous banana
Yes.
trees and coconut trees and
How was Nyla enjoying
Coastline.
Nyla? It was, absolutely was.
Great. May I offer you some welcome cocktail?
Thank you. That would do us good right now, right?
Please
Oh, wow.
welcome once more to the Knutsford Court.
oh, thank you so much.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Umbrella, cherry, straw, and a pineapple.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Just your signature. Right.
Absolutely.
No. Thank you. Are you helping mommy?
There you go.
Thank you. Helping yourself. You are on the ground floor of the building across the courtyard.
Oh, great.
Your keys will access the entrance door as well as your room door. Complimentary buffet breakfast begins 6:30 until 10 a.m. across the courtyard and upstairs in the Melting Pot restaurant. Do you have a computer with you by chance? We offer internet complimentary.
Oh, thank you
Let
so
me give
much.
you a password for that.
Thank you.
Oh.
Now, is the Wi-Fi in the entire hotel, or is it just in the lobby?
For Wi-Fi, it is complimentary any public area on property. However, for your room, it's wired. There's already a cable provided there.
Okay, great.
Your username will be your last name, all lowercase and no space. Your password is case sensitive.
Okay.
Have a fabulous day with us. If there's any questions or queries, I'm at extension 0. More than happy to assist you.
Great.
All right?
Thank you, Denise.
Fabulous.
What a great welcome.
You just want to get started. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you anytime.
Very nice. Our own little home, how so compact.
It's like a
With
townhouse.
everything we need.
You have a kitchenette right here. Wonderful kitchen. You have everything for your own use. You have a beautiful stove, microwave, fridge.
I could move in here, right, honey? What do you think?
Yeah, sure. Why
Could
not?
afford to move
Yeah,
in.
absolutely. I don't think we could afford it, but
So now we have the double rooms upstairs.
okay.
Please, don't mind a lead.
No, not
You
at
can
all.
come, please. We have two beautiful rooms.
Wow.
This will be the master
That's
bedroom.
nice.
All right, so this is where we are. Oh, we have a
Nice
little crib
crib
for
for the baby.
Nyla, darling.
Oh wow. Now that's what I call service. Look how
Nyla.
gorgeous.
You get your own little bed, Baba. You like it?
So happy.
Do you like it?
Very nice.
Aww.
I did that secretly. That's the
Oh,
heart
thanks,
shaped
honey.
cow.
Here we have a wonderful patio.
Oh, hi.
Oh, this is nice.
How about we have our dinner outside tonight, darling?
Yeah, absolutely. Open up the drapes and enjoy.
Get some fresh air out here.
Yeah, absolutely. What do you think, Nice? What do you think, baby girl?
Do you like the
Huh?
outdoors?
You love it?
Okay, so we've been on the road so long. We've been to weddings, we've been all over the place. And I haven't happened to stop to get my laundry done. So I came to Knutsford Court and they happen to have a laundromat that I can use. So Denise, I have a load for you. I haven't got to stop to wash any clothes and I'm just hoping that Knutsford can help me.
Certainly we can.
Really?
2 tokens for the laundry mat. You have one for wash, one for dry. They're the
Okay.
same size, so you won't get them mixed up.
Okay.
And we have complimentary soap.
All right. I have my whole pack of soap. I won't be running out, right?
If you do, we have more for you. All right?
Thank you.
Our pleasure.
Hi, wow. Hi, how are you doing? This is a lovely, lovely piece. Wow. Okay, so you have an all array of swimsuits and party items. I wish I had stopped here before I did my entire trip around the island. Wow. Little throws for swimsuits, little tops. We're heading to Strawberry Hill and we're doing Knutsford Court, and I decided I needed to jump in the pool, but I needed another swimsuit. So someone told me about New Kingston Shopping Centre. So we are here in a designer store who wishes to remain nameless, but her designs are fabulous. She produces here in Jamaica, and she has her store, a small corner shop in here in New Kingston Shopping Centre. It's just fabulous, just wonderful arrays of designs. So I'm gonna pick a swimsuit here today, and you guys tell me what you think. Red polka dot. All right. Very nice. You know what? I'm gonna follow my heart and I'm gonna go with this swimsuit. It's the first thing I saw when I came in, and I don't think I can leave here without it. There's just no way. It's so fabulous. So, my first Pucciana design. So I definitely want this one. Thank you so much. You know what? I know you're looking for your bags, but I'm gonna have to rush out with it in hand and running. All right. See you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Pucciana's rocks. All right.